That'll be her short. Just right.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Greetings.
Hi there.
So, this is a follow-up to where we left off in our last episode, where we had just got onto the ship and all of the funness that happened right there in that last couple minutes of that video. It just keeps on rolling right through here. But I tend to not show as much of it because, well, I lost a lot of the footage. We won't talk about that. But well, yeah, so we're gonna grab a little bit of lunch real quick, walk around, grab our muster station. We see this really cool white ship. I don't know what it's about. If you know what it is, leave a comment down below for us, and I'd appreciate that.
I think we did figure out it was from Portugal, maybe?
It was in Portugal or Spain. It had a flag on it. I learned the name of it, but I didn't go any further after that, now that I think about it. But anyhow, yeah, so we have that, and you're gonna see that, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the sail away party, and you're just going to get an idea. In the video I say there's 5,000 people on ship. I found out there's 4,100 roughly 4,100 passengers and 900 crew is what I've learned.
So it's 5,000 people.
Yeah, but it's just, wow, that was crazy. A lot different from our previous ones where we had been at what 30-40% capacity and up to like 70% capacity. This ship, the Horizon, it held a lot of people, and at point in different times it felt like it. We'll just say that, especially on embarkation day when nobody's able to go to their room, everybody's on Lido, or trying to, not everyone, but a good number of people are up on the Lido deck trying to just hang out and do what they need to do.
Yeah,
so
it was kind of tight. It
was tight, and it was a fun day though. So thanks for watching, and we're gonna go ahead and get started with it. And like I say, we're gonna go lunch, we're gonna do the ship, and then we're gonna do sail away, and then we're gonna give you a little bit of a what's the
teaser?
Teaser. That's the word. Yeah, we're gonna do a little teaser on our dinner, and I think we're gonna end up putting a full episode out. It's not gonna be a long one, but just of the steakhouse with the kids, because it was fun. It was a good time. So we'll come back to you here at the end a little bit. Thanks again for watching. I will be back, my friend. I will be back, my friend. Did you call her?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit. There they are. Look at there, just walking around aimlessly, and we find our crew. There's our crew. What do you think about all this food?
We just need to buy macaroni. Casey and I might have already used part of our onboard credit.
All right. Y'all find some locations. I'm going to my spot.
What do you mean?
I'm going to Blue Iguana. The absolute most bestest first meal when you get on the ship is going to be the Blue Iguana. Iguana de Azul. We're coming right here, and we are in line for the goodness. Hello, hello, burrito, burrito. He said go in line for Guys Burgers. He said get in line for Guys Burgers.
Lisa! Get his shoes.
Guys Burger. Everybody waiting for Guy's Burgers. Woo. Cheers. Well, we have got our drinks, and now we're trying to get back to the table. That is insane. 5,000 people on the ship. So we are, wow. This is back. If everyone was wondering, cruising is back. So, got a drink for the son-in-law. I picked up a birthday beers while they still had a few left. Hey, hey. So is it any good?
It's not bad. Nothing special.
I'm a happy man. Happy, happy. I'm a happy man. I don't have mics. Crew's all dressed in white.
Wait, that might be the pirate's cruise. You think? Miami.
Get ready, because from this point on, your only responsibility is to have fun. We are celebrating 50 years of Carnival Cruise, and this is going to be your party. I'm your cruise director, Donkey. Can I get out? G'day, Donkey.
That's it. God bless.
We're going to get this party started in 10
Gary.
seconds,
Yeah, same
and we're officially on vacation. Let's do this. DJ
Oh, yeah, I'm sure.
Here we go. 9, 8,
7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. It's vacation time! Come on! Bring it up to this. Bring them up. VIP coming live from the VIP. Heard the night like Rolls Royce with a go. Big in Spain, wanna see my name. The whole city got reserved. You got to read it. Everybody got to hear the shout. Who said shit on fire? So she got 3 king rap now. I really know how to act now. Hit the club, getting naked, pull the sack down. Stacks out the shack now. Still push a button and let the roof on the leg down. I'm on the road doing shows, moving back down. One more time. Check time. Got the crowd yelling. Bring them out. Hey, I'm a hot girl. Bring them out. Hey, all the dope boys. Bring them out. Hey, the black niggas. Hit what I'm selling about the hood and this. It got rich and still in the hood and kids. You be rapping about low. I was whooping the door. Talking about you guys now doing it. When the face you gonna song. So I'm going to bring it out. 2, 3. Alright, you're gonna follow the team in blue. Jump it up. All right to me. Come on. Give it a nice potato. On the beat. Pop that boom. Bring it forward. Alright, I want to hear everyone on this side sing it out. Come on. Na 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 na. I can't hear you. This side. 1, 2, 3, go. Na. Bring it on back. Bring it on. Yo, this is no flash dance. This is a party. And I'm gonna give a prize for the first 100 people to spread on out their dance floor. Spread on out. Cause we got a little electric slide with a lot of mix. Donde está mi gente latina? No, I say we got Black China in the house.
Saying my scriptures, cause I hear you only like a prayer in the temple. When I move with the letter of a pencil.
Go you team. Alright, here comes the remix.
And I don't think about it, nigga, I need this shit.
Jump forward, jump back, jump forward. Jump back, jump forward, jump back. Go single, double it up. Single. Jump to the front. Go you team. Go forward, go back, go forward. Go back, go forward, go back. Double it up. 1, 2, double it up. Your fun squad. Sing it up now. Oh, in Spanish. Ay. Italian. Hey. French. Oh. Alrighty, folks, one more time. Welcome aboard your home away from home. These guys right over here, they are known as the Fun Squad. They're gonna entertain you all cruise long. I'm the cruise director, Donkey. Make sure to join us tonight, 9:30, for the Welcome Aboard show. Folks, welcome aboard, and this is how we do it. What you got, Scratchy? What? Sing it up now. Sing it. Can I get the big sexy flashback group? Come on down, family. Bring it on down, because we got a family photo going on. Thank you, Scratchy.
Alright, well, we just had a nice little room service delivered. Since they canceled our room service, they've given us a bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon, I guess. I'm not a wine person. So, Sauvignon. Yeah, so Cabernet Sauvignon. Because it's like Sauvignon Blanc, but it's just Sauvignon. Alright, so, here's what you got. Drop a comment below if you know that's a good vintage or a good wine. I'm not sure. I'll probably have to Google it to find out. But, yep. Oh, and here we go. Somebody's already got a drink of the day. Red Frog. Yeah, come in a Tervis. It was like 20 bucks, but hey.
Room credit.
We did have an online onboard credit, so. Our first visitor. Hey, look at there.
Our chef's table was canceled tonight?
Our chef's table, what?
No,
That's what it said.
it's your chef's table.
My chef's table was canceled.
Steakhouse wasn't canceled, but since we were in separate rooms,
Hey, we get two bottles of wine.
Because our son hates wine, so.
Well, I'm not a big fan either.
No, but Mom likes it.
So we're here at the steakhouse, and the piano bar is directly behind us. Everyone is looking at their menus. We just had our bread delivered, and I was going to put the microphones on, but I don't think that really it's going to matter because the piano is so loud. So everybody, this is Kyler. This is our grandson. That's Adam and Charlie, whose nickname is Bean. It's my daughter, Kaysen. Then our son, Gregory. You know, Teresa. And this is Corey, and we call her Punky. So we're about to get our orders in. And like I say, we've got our bread, and we'll be coming back shortly after we place our order. All right, well, there you have it. So, steakhouse. As you could see, it's gonna be, I mean, it was a delicious meal, but pretty much like it always is. The piano literally right over my shoulder, and you know, some other things that happened make this to where it's gonna deserve its own show or own episode. And so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button on your way out, please. Then also, you know, if for some reason you're enjoying these videos, hit that subscribe button with that notification bell so that you can see some more whenever it's going to happen. So I'm telling you guys too, that wobble, the deck party, the sail away party, oh my gosh, so much fun. I know everybody always talks about all you do is the wobble and you do the electric side and you do Cupid. Yeah, but still, they do it for a reason. And that's because everybody enjoys doing them. So,
and plus, it's not like you do them every day. So you do them on your sell-aways. I mean, how many times are you selling away a year? You know?
5.
Oh, yeah, we are. But most people are not, so it's not like you do them all the time. So it's fun.
Maybe the people who are complaining are the people like us that do cruise all the time.
Well, maybe they are.
So, oh well, get over it.
Who knows?
Get out there on the dance floor.
We have fun. We make it fun.
Yeah, exactly. Get out there on the dance floor. Enjoy yourself. You know, as Peer Runners has said before, Trevor, one of the best things about cruising is you can just let down all your walls and just be different, be somebody else, you know, than what you normally are. And trust me, I'm not really the person that's going to be out there doing the wobble. So yeah, so the cruising is one of those things that where you just are allowed to free your mind and the rest will follow. What?
Free your mind.
Oh, now you're going to bust out in a song after. Okay, so you're going to take my. That's fine. That's cool. I love you.
I love you.
Mm-hmm. So there's the air conditioner, of course, right here as we're finishing up. So once again, though, I'm Gary Manning.
And I'm Teresa Manning.
Together we make up the
Traveling
Man-ings.
Ings.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.